cylinders and prism problems. So we have a set of problems regarding cylinders and prism. So it will follow next. The figure shows a section of cylindrical tube pipeline. Internal radius is 2 cm. Outside or external radius 4 cm and the length is 20 cm. Find the lateral area in centimeters squared and the total surface area. So your solution would be this one. So your solution for letter A, lateral area. Lateral area composed of this outside and the inside. So for the inside, 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH. The small r refers to the the internal, plus 2 pi. The big R refers to the outside, or simply equivalent to 2 pi. Your R is 2 times 20 plus 2 pi 4 times 20. So your lateral area would be equivalent to 753.97 centimeter squared. For the letter B, total surface area. Total surface area equals to the lateral area as solved, plus of course top and bottom area. Top and bottom ring. So it is equivalent to total area. $753.97 plus 2 pi r square minus r square small r. 2 is times 2 because top and bottom, so this one equivalent to 753.97 plus 2 pi times r square. You have that one 4 square minus 2 square equivalent to 829.37 centimeter square. Find the volume of the largest cylinder with a circular base that can be inscribed in a cube whose volume is 64 cubic centimeters. So your solution side is the cube. Volume equals to S cube. 64 equals to S cube. S equals to 4 centimeter. So the volume of the cube equals to pi d square over 4 times h equals to pi over 4 times 4 square times 4, so equals to 16 pi equals to 50.26 centimeter cube. So here volume equals to base times height, but you have sine 45 equals to h all over L. So your L is equals to 10 over sine 45, or equivalent to 14.14 meters. So cross-section area of cross-section equivalent to pi over 4 times outside diameter is 1 meter plus 2 times 3 over 100. So this is meter square. So the square minus 1 meter square. So this area equivalent to pi over 4 times 0.1236, equivalent to 0.09707 meters squared. So volume equals to area times the height, equivalent to 0.09707 times 14.14, simply equivalent to 1.372 cubic meters. 6 centimeter long, 3 centimeter wide at the bottom, and mid-sloping sides, which are 4 centimeter, and 3 centimeter in length. The 4 centimeter side is inclined 45 degrees, and the other side is inclined 30 degrees to the horizontal. So find its volume. So volume equals to So volume equals to, you have that one base times height. But your base, you have to solve this one. Solve first the x, the triangle 4x and a there. So sine 45, this one. Sine 45 equals to x all over 4. So your x in the figure equals to 4 sine 45. So try to check the x there. Then you have that one sine 30 at the other side there, 30, that one sine 30 equals to y all over 3, or your y equals to 3 sine 30. For the sides A and the sides B, so you have that one. Cosine 45 equals to A over 4. So your A, side A equals to 4 cosine 45. And your B, cosine 30 equals to B all over 3. So your B equals to 3 cosine 30. So it becomes trapezoid. So area of trapezoid, area of trapezoid equivalent to 1/2. Try to see the figure. X, the lower part plus the others, base is y, times of course the height. The height would be A plus 3 plus B. See the figure. Or your A trapezoid equals to 1/2 times 4 value of x sine 45 plus 3 sine 30 times the height or length equals to 4 cosine 45 plus 3 plus 3 cosine 30. So if you try to simplify this one will be 18.233 centimeter square. Then we subtract this triangle, subtract the two triangles there from the area. So for the trapezoid, so area of the triangle 1, so area of the triangle 1, E1, the E1 equals to 1/2 times A, or equivalent to 1/2 4 sine 45 4 cosine 45. equivalent to 4 centimeters squared. So the area of the triangle, area 2 equivalent to 1/2. Your base is y, so y equals to 3 sine 30. 3 sine 30 times 3 cosine 30 equivalent to 1.948 centimeters squared. So area of the base gold bar, so net area equals to 18.23 minus 4 minus 1.948. So the net area equivalent to 12.285 centimeter square. So the volume, so for the volume here equals to 12.285 times 6. So your volume equivalent to 73.71 centimeter cube. So this is the way how we solve this one.